Children, today we are going to discuss about the multiplication and division of decimal numbers. You all are aware how to add, how to subtract decimal numbers, and today we are going to discuss how to multiply and divide the decimal number. This is not new for you all, as you know that when suppose I am going to multiply 2.27 by 10, you know that if 1 upon 10 is there, decimal will be shifted one digit right side, that may be written as 52.7. Without actual multiplication you can write your answer, and if 5.27 multiplied by 100, then you know that decimal number will be shifted 2 digit right. So 2 digit is there, 2 and 7, so it will be 527. And if I will tell you to multiply 5.27 multiplied by 1000, as here 3 zeros, so decimal will be shifted up to 3 digit right side, that can be written as 527 and 10 I have to put because there is only 2 zeros. There is only 2 digits and we need to shift the decimal up to 3 digit right side. As there 3 digits are not there, so we have to put 1 0 over here, and after number decimal is meaningless, so decimal is not written here. In two cases decimal is not written here. Now if I am talking about the division, suppose you are going to divide 52.7 and you want to divide it by 10, then what you are doing? In case of multiplication, the decimal number is shifted left to right side as many place as how many zeros are present on 1. So here 1 upon 10 is there, so decimal will be shifted right to left, that means it will be written as 5.27. and suppose I am dividing 527 by 100, then here 1 upon 2 zeros are there, so decimal will be shifted 2 digit back, so here the answer will be 5.27 itself. And like this, suppose I am having a number 527, I want to divide it by 1000, then decimal will be shifted 3 digit back, that means 1 2 3, that means right to left you are shifting the decimal, so the answer will be 0.527. These are the quicker method to multiply and divide the decimal number, and these all things you are doing from class 5 onwards, means in class 5 also you have seen how to multiply and how to divide the decimal number. Here also this is very easy and simple exercise, so you can do it. So this was just the reminder that I have given you, the reminder and revision about the multiplication and division of decimal. Let us start exercise 3A. Here the fill in the blanks questions are there, 1 1. You can do it like that. Here 5.3 multiplied by 3. So generally how you are multiplying, go at your rough side and just you write 5.3 multiplied by 3, 3 3s are 9 and 5 3s are 15, 5 carry 1. Then just you count that after how many place of decimal is there. So after one place of decimal is there, so decimal will be shifted like this, so answer will be 15.9, and you can write over there 15.9. I will suggest you all, whenever you are doing any question, just do the rough at the right side, just at the right side in your notebook whenever you are doing such questions. One more question I am showing you. This is, suppose question number B is there, you want to multiply 9.2 into 0.2, then what you will be doing? So in the rough side you are going and multiplying 9.2 into 0.2, then multiply it normally, 2 2 ja 4, 9 2 ja 18, 8 carry 1, then by 0 you can multiply 0 and 0, so this is 4 8 1. Now after decimal there is 1 point and there is 1 point, and 1 plus 1 2 points. So you are shifting your decimal right to left side after 2 place, means 1 and 1, 2 digit. You are just counting from right to left and putting the decimal. So the answer will be 1.84. So how I am counting the decimal point? One more question, you can see this time E number I am taking. This is 93.47 and multiplied by 0.1. What you will do to get your answer over here? So ultimately the question is fill in the blanks, but you need to multiply it properly. So how you are multiplying? Just again I am going to the rough side for the multiplication of this number. How to multiply? Let us see. 93.47 and I am going to multiply it by 0.1. So just give the multiply sign, multiply it normally. 1 multiplied by 7 is coming 7, 1 into 4 is coming 4, 1 into 3 is coming 3, 1 into 9 is coming 9. Multiplying by this 0 is not compulsory. So just you can now count the zeros, count the digits after decimal. There is 1 and 2 digits and there is 1. That means 2 plus 1 becomes 3 digit. So 1, 2 and 3 digit after 3 place of decimal. You can 1, 2, 3. After 3 digits you can place the decimal point. So its answer will be 9.34 and 7, and this is your answer. So like that you can multiply the decimal number. So I hope that you have understood how to multiply, how I have shown you question number 1. Like that you can do question number 2 also. You can multiply the decimal numbers. Again I am showing you question number 2 also, a few question I am taking. So let us see question number 2. In question number 2 it is written that find the product of the following decimal number. So you want to find the product, means you are going to multiply. So which questions I am going to take this time? I am going to take your D number question. So it is 84.65 multiplied by 6.05. So you are writing the number here 84.65 and multiplying it 6.05. Just you multiply normally. 5 5s are 25, 5 carry 2, 6 5s are 30 and 2 32, carry 3, 5 4s are 20 and 3 23, 3 carry 2, 8 5s are 40 and 2 42. So without looking at the decimal, just normally you are multiplying it. Then by 0 you are multiplying, then 1 2 3 4 zeros will come. 0 multiplied by 5 give you 0, 0 multiplied by 6 giving you 0, 0 multiplied by 4 again giving you 0, 0 multiplied by 8 again giving you 0 only. Now multiplying by 6. Okay, 6 5s are 30, 6 5s are 30 means 0 carry 3, 6 6 are 36 and 3 39, 9 carry 3 and 6 4s are 24 and 3 27. So you are writing 7 and carry 2, 6 8 ja 48 and 2, 48 and 2 is coming 50. So like that, after multiplying you can recheck that whether you have made any mistake or not. 6 5s are 30, 0 carry 3, 6 6 are 36 and 3 39, 9 carry 3, 6 4s are 24 and 3 27, 7 carry 2, 8 6 are 48 plus 2, that is 50. Now you have to add it. 5 2 3 9 2 11 1 carry 1, 4 1 5 and 7 12 2 carry 1. So here 1 and here 5. Now how you will shift the decimal? So after decimal you can see there is 2 digit and there is 2 digit, that means 2 plus 2 becomes 4 digit. So you have to count the digit from right side, 1 2 3 and 4. After 4 place of digits you are going to shift the decimal from right to left. That means you will be counting from right to left side, just you have counted that right to left side there are 2 digits and there are 2 digits, 2 plus 2 4 digits. So ultimately at your result also you are counting 1 2 3 4, after 4 digit you have to shift the point. So the answer will be 512.1325. this is your answer of question number 2D. So like that you can multiply it. This is all about the multiplication of decimals. And then question number 3, you can see that here one table is given. In this table, just see in your book, 6.352 multiplied by 10, that means the first answer will be 63.52 in the first box. Now if you are multiplying it by 100, that means the answer will be 635.2, and if you are multiplying it by 1000, then the answer will be 6352. After digits you have to put the decimal, that is meaningless. So your answer will be 6352. This was question number A. Once again I am repeating, complete the following table. This is 3A. If here one number is written in A number, that is 6.352. If you are multiplying it by 10, answer will be 63.52. And if this number you are multiplying by 100, then your answer will be 635.2. and if you are multiplying this number by 1000, then your answer will be 6352. Then if you are putting the decimal, it is meaningless. That means after digit decimal is meaningless. As you all are aware that when I am writing rupees 5.00, it is equivalent to rupees 5 itself. 0 is meaningless here. That means 0, no need to write 0. Either you can write 0 or you cannot write 0, that is upon you. Both meaning is rupees 5 only. You will be reading rupees 5. That you can see when the prices are written on toffees, biscuits, whatever you are eating, whatever you are buying from the market, sometimes it is written like this, rupees 5.00. It is also rupees 5, and sometimes it is written only rupees 5. So after the number, okay, if you are giving any decimal point, it is meaningless. Yes, it will be meaningful if after this point any non-zero number will be there. That means after the point if you are writing any non-zero number, then it has a meaning. But after point, if you are writing only 000, then it is meaningless, no need to write that, because all the numbers contains decimal. Whatever number we are writing, the numbers are written always in decimal notation only. We are following the decimal notation to write the number. So it is the decimal form itself. So decimal is always present with all the numbers. If it is a whole number 5, you can write it 5.00. If you are having a whole number 10, you can write it as 10.00. The meaning is same. So in case of zeros, if after point there is only 0, that zeros are meaningless. If after point there is any number other than 0, then it is meaningful. So that's all for the multiplication tips from my side. Now you can multiply by yourself. You have understood the multiplication. You are doing it from class 4 onwards, 4, 5 onwards. Now you can see question number, this is 4, that is application based question. Here you have to read the question and think the operational signs, that either you are going to add, subtract, multiply or divide. Jitesh fills 3.5 liter of petrol in his bike in a week. Find the quantity of petrol he needs in a month. That means it is clear that in a week there are 7 days. So in a week he is filling 3.5 liter petrol in his bike, and then find the quantity of petrol he needs in a month. In a month means 4 weeks. So in 4 weeks, how you can write the statement of this question number 4? So you will write quantity of petrol filled in 1 week, QTT. In short, quantity can be written as QTT of petrol filled in 1 week. Filled in 1 week, that is 3.5 liter. That is 3.5 liter. Therefore, here you can put the sin sign. Then therefore, quantity of petrol filled in 4 weeks. 4 weeks. That should be 3.5 into 4 liters. Just you can multiply in the rough side. So you will be going in the rough side and multiplying it. 4 5s are 20, 0 carry 2, and 4 3s are 12, and 2 14, 4 carry 1. Then after 1 digit decimal will be shifted. So your answer is 14 liter itself. So in a month he is filling, you will write answer. So in a month he is filling, in a month he is filling 14 liter of petrols. 14 liter of petrol. So like that you can write the answer. Working, you have to understand that what type of working is there. That first you will decide the working, then write the proper statement, and then you multiply it. Like this you can do the question. Number B also, Sarda jogs for 1.5 hours every day. Find the total number of hours spent by her in jogging for 5 days. That means 1.5 should be multiplied by 5. You will be writing the statement for B number. What type of a statement? How you will be writing the statement? Distance covered in 1 day, or distance covered by Sarda in 1 day is equal to 1.5 hours. Sarda jogs for 1.5 hours. It is not distance, it is time given. So you will be writing the jogging time for Sarda in 1 day is equal to 1.5 hours. Then jogging time for Sarda for 5 days, that is equal to 5 into 1.5 or 1.5 into 5. Just you multiply and write your answer. That will be the answer. Like this you can do the question. Now I am reading question number D. Look at the question number D in your book. The length of a rectangular lawn is 8.7 meter and its breadth is 3.9 meter. Less than its length, find the area of the lawn. So D number question, I am showing you how you can do question number D of this exercise. Question number 4D. This question is 4D. So here it is written the length of a rectangular lawn. So for the, you will be writing for the rectangular lawn. For the rectangular lawn, length is given and it is given as 8.7 meter. It is given as 8.7 meter, and breadth means B for breadth, L for length. So breadth is given, it is 3.9 meter less than its breadth. That means 8.7 minus, you have to subtract 3.9, then you will be getting the breadth, because it is written that the breadth is 3.9 meter less than its length. Now you subtract in the rough side, write 8.7 then minus 3.9. Subtract this number, 17 minus 9 will be giving 8, and here 7 minus 3 is giving you 4. That means the breadth is 4.8 meter. Now you want to find the area. Now the area of the rectangular lawn. So you will be writing like that. Now the area of the rectangular lawn. a rectangular lawn. As you know, area of rectangular lawn is given by length into breadth. So length is how much? 8.7 meter and the breadth is 4.8 meter. Then you need to multiply. So do the rough working at the right side. First you write 8.7 multiplied by 4.8. So 8 7 ja 56, 6 carry 5, 8 8 ja 64 and 5, 64 plus 5 is giving you 69. 69. Write down here 7 4 ja 28, carry 2 and 8 4 ja 32 and 2 34. So you are writing 6 9 8 17, 7 carry 1, 6 1 7 plus 4 11 carry 1 and 3 1 4. So now the decimal there is one digit, there is one digit. So after 2 place 2 digit you will be shifting decimal at the from the right side. So your answer will be 41.76 and here you will be writing a square meter. So answer will be in a square meter. You can write it like that. So the answer is 41.76 square meter and it is your answer. At last you can write, so the area of the rectangular lawn is 41.76 square meter. This is the answer of this question number 4D. Just you copy down and now you can do the remaining questions of this exercise. I hope that you are doing it in your classwork copy. Do in your classwork copy and you must send it to me, because you are aware that NBS notebook submission is also having few marks. The 5 marks is directly there for notebook submission, as you have seen in your term plan. So the work must be sent to me, whatever work you are doing in your classwork copy. So this from my side, this exercise 3A is over. Now you have to try it and do it. Now I am talking about the division of decimal. This is exercise 3C. So sorry, 3B. So 3B, fill in the blanks first. So let me discuss that how to divide the decimal numbers. So in 3B, fill in the blanks. Here first question is fill in the blanks, but you need to do these questions. So question number 1 is there, that is a number, and here it is written 40.8 divided by 4, then what will be the answer? So here what you will fill. For this again I am going to the rough side and dividing it. Normally I am going to write the number 40.8 and here I am dividing it by 4. Then here you can see 4 1 ja 4 gone, and here if this 0 is coming, so 4 zeros are 0. Here you can write 0. So this 0 is also gone. Now the point will not come down, point will go at the quotient part. Now 8 will come here. You can divide 4 2 ja 8 and this division goes over. That means your answer is 10.2. So you can write here 10.2. Once again you can see that how I have divided the number. It is just like as a normal division. Normal division means here I am writing 40.8 and it dividing it by 4. So first 4 1 ja 4 I have done, then 0 is coming down over here. So 4 if multiplied by 0 times giving you 0. So here 0 is written, then there is the point will not coming at the division side. That means in dividend side you will be not copying this point will always go to the quotient side at the right time. At the right moment you have to take this point in the quotient. Then 8 is coming, 4 2 ja 8, and you can write your answer 10.2 in B number. Now next question, B number also I am showing you, that is 98.4 and divide it by 1.2. So the first thing, if here you have seen the first number, a decimal number is divided by a whole number, but here in the B number, the decimal number is divided with the decimal number. So in that case you have to take some care. What care is required over here? In this division you have to check that always the decimal should be in their like form, means like decimal should be there. If it is not, we can change it as a like decimal. How? That I am showing you in this rough side. Now this B number 98.4, first you are writing it like that, 98.4 upon 1.2. The division can be written in this way also. After point there is one digit, after point there is one digit. That means it can be written as 984 upon 1.2. Both the decimal gone out, both the decimal cancelled. Why it is cancelled? Because after decimal the number of digits are same. If after decimal the number of digits are same, that means this decimal gone off, this decimal also gone off. Then here your number is 984 by only 12. There is no decimal. Now normally you can divide this number or you can cancel also. If you are able to cancel the number, you can see that this is divisible by 4. So I can cancel 4 3 ja 12, 4 2 ja 8, then 4 4 ja 16, and here 2 24, 4 6 ja 24. Now 3 1 ja 3 and 3 8 ja 24 and 3 2 ja 6. So you can see that answer has come, that is 82, and I can write my answer here 82. This is the first way of dividing this number. And in the second way, suppose you don't want to cancel the number, you don't like to cancel, then you can divide it directly. How you can divide it directly? Let me show you this one also, that how you can divide this number. This time I am writing 984 upon 12. So just you divide like this, normal division you can do. Normally you can divide 12. How many times 12 is dividing? 98. You have to check. 12 8 ja 12 8 ja 96. You can write here 96. Then here 224 is there. So 12 2 ja 24, and it is cancelled. So again you can see the answer is coming 82 itself. So it's your wish that you are cancelling a fraction or just you want to divide it in normal ways. That is your choice. But before dividing it, you must change the decimal into a like decimal. Like decimal means after decimal the number of digits should be same. And if you have obtained a number after decimal, if number of digits are same, that means you can cancel, you can omit the decimal sign. Then decimal sign will be vanished, and after vanishing the decimal sign, the whatever number you are getting back, then normally you can divide it and you can write your answer, you can find your answer. Now I am showing you question number C also. C. In C number it is 3.45 and divided by 0.1. So first of all, it is the fill in the blanks. So the working I am not showing here, I am just filling in the blanks. So how to fill? Again I have to come in the rough side, and in the rough side I am thinking about these two numbers. It can be written as 3.45 upon 0.1. Here you can see after decimal the number of digits are not same. At the numerator you can see after decimal there are 2 digits, but at the denominator you can see after decimal there is only a single digit. Then what to do? We have to make it as equivalent or like decimal. So after decimal, if I can put here 10, that means here if I am going to put 10 after decimal, if you are putting 0, it is meaningless. The number does not change. So here what I have did, I have given a 0. Then further this number can be written as 345 upon 10. You can write this number 345 upon 10. then what will happen? Here 1 upon 0 is there, as you are aware that this time decimal will be shifted right to left only one place. So, the answer will be 34.5. So, you can write here answer 34.5 without dividing it. No need to divide the number and you will get your answer in this way. So, this time I have shown you how to divide this number. So, division by the numbers where you are having 1 upon 10 or 1 upon 20 or 1 upon 30. In those cases, no need to divide the number directly. You can write your answer. So, in D number, one more question I am showing you, 75.77, and divide this number by 100. So, here you can see 1 upon 2 zeros are there. Decimal will be going shifted 2 digit back directly. So, your answer will be 0.75 then 77, and this is answer without dividing, without any working. You can write answers in such cases. Then number E is there. Here you can see 87.65 and divided by which number will be giving you 8.765. Here you can see that decimal is shifted one digit left, means it is divided by 10 itself. It is clear that it is divided by 10, because when you will be dividing this number by 10, decimal will be shifted one digit right to left side. So, you are getting your answer in this way. You can guess the answer, you can write your correct answer over there. So, this is question number 1 that I have shown you, and this logic will be implied in question number 2 also, because in this table, complete the following table you can do. I hope that you have understood this question, then 2 number you can do. Now, a few questions I am taking from question number 3. So, in 3 number, what is there? Just let us see those questions. In 3 number, solve the following. So, in 3 number, solve the following. That division I have shown you already. Still I am doing one question for you. Divide by 3. This time it is not fill in the blank. So, just you write the number and divide it. 3 2 ja 6, then 118, 3 6 ja 18. You cancel. The point will not come down. It will be going at the quotient. Here 2 will be coming, but 2 is lesser number. So, you have to put a 0. Then 4 will come, and 3 8 ja 24. So, your division work is over, and therefore, the quotient is there. The quotient, whatever answer you have got, that is known as quotient, and the quotient is 26.08. This is the answer of question number 3A. Like this you have to do in your notebook. Then I am taking one more question, that is the B number question. Just it is 84.12 and divide it by 0.4. So, first of all I have told you that if you are looking at the decimal numbers and it is not a like decimal, then first of all you will be changing it as a like decimal. How you will be changing? 84.12 upon 0.4. After decimal there is 2 digit, there is only 1 digit. So, I can make it a like decimal, that is 84.12 upon 0.40. Now, you can see after decimal number of digits are 2 and number of digits are 2. That means you have got a like decimal where 8412 upon 40 is there. Now, you can, what you can do? You can cancel it or you can divide it. So, it is better to cancel. 4 1 ja 4 and here 4 2 ja 8, 4 1 ja 4, then 0, 4 3 ja 12. Now, the number which you are getting 2103 upon 10, that means 1 digit decimal will be shifted right to left side. It will be 210.3 and this is answer. So, this is also a way to divide without actual division. That means we have not done a long division method, but in the fraction form itself answer is coming. And if you wish then you can divide 8412 by 40 also, then also you will get the answer. It is your wish. So both the ways I have shown you for division. Now I hope that you can divide it. Okay, a few questions, more questions are there which you have to do by yourself. This time application based question is there, and in those cases you have to write a few statement and you have to divide. This is division itself. Solve the following words problem. Ramu paid rupees 331.3525 for 5 pairs of socks. Find the cost of each pair of socks. That means rupees 331.25 will be divided by 5 and then you will get the answer. So like that you can do the answer by dividing. Geeta divided 9.435 kg of rice equally and stored it in 6 containers of same capacity. Find the quantity of rice in each container. What you will be doing? You will be dividing 9.435 by 6. Then the quotient will be the correct answer of B number question. So here word problems you have to read, understand, and by writing some statement you need to actually do the work of division itself. So you need to divide here. It is clear that, but in the examination you will see that mixed type of questions are there. At that time you have to decide by yourself that whether you are going to add, subtract, multiply or divide. That depends upon the statement. So go through the statement, read the statement. If one time, by reading one time you are unable to understand, read the statement twice, read the statement thrice. As much as times you can read the statement till you are not understanding the work, that what type of operational work is required over there. I mean to say that whether you will be adding, subtracting, multiplying or dividing, this should be clear through the statement. Suppose I am reading here question number D. Swarna wants to swim a distance of 705.16 meter in 10.2 minutes. What should be her speed? So look here, this question I am showing you. So this is question number 3D. This is question number 3D. Question number 3D. Yes, so this time I am taken question number 4D. Swarna wants to swim a distance of 705.16 meters. So total distance is given. How much distance is given? That is 705.16 meter. Okay, this is total distance, and total time is given, and total time, how much time he is having or she is having, that is 10.2 minutes. 10.2 minutes. You need to find the speed. So you need to find here the speed equal to what? As you know, speed equal to distance by time. This is well known formula, and you know that since speed equal to distance by time. If you know the formula, it's very good. If you don't know, then also you can understand that distance should be divided by time to get the speed. So here I can write 705.16 upon 10.2. After point there is 2 digit, there is a single digit. So what I am going to do? I am going to write 705.16 here, and here add down 10.2. After decimal there is 2 digit at the numerator, but at the denominator there is single digit. So I will writing 10, then decimal can be omitted. Now decimal is omitted. Now you can cancel. If you are having a number, you can see 2 can cancel it. So by 2 itself I am cancelling. 2 5s are 10, 2 1s are 2. It is cancelled. Now by 2, 2 3s are 6. Then here 1, 0, 10. 2 5s are 10. Then 2 2s are 4. 1, 11. 2 5s are 10, 2 8s are 16. Now again you can see 510 is there, and here 35258 is there. Now which number can cancel? This number. So I can see this is 510, 5 plus 1 6, so 3 can divide it, and the here 5 3 8 and 2 10 and 5 15 and plus 8. So this time it cannot be cancelled by 3. Then which number? If you are confused, then you can divide it, no problem. That if you are confused, you cannot divide the number like that. You cannot cancel the number, you can divide it. So further you can divide the number. Now go in the rough side and you can divide, or you can divide it here also. So you can divide 510, you will be writing here, and here 352, then 58, 58, 352, then here 58. Now you can divide 3525, how many times you can divide? So 5 7 ja 35, I can see the 7 times, it will be 7 zeros 0, 7 1 ja 7 and 7 5 ja 35. So it is 7 times, it is greater number, so 6 time I can divide it. So you can check it in the rough that how many times it can divide. 6 0 0, 6 1 ja 6, 6 5 ja 30, 0 carry 3. So here 5 12 minus 6 means 6, and here 4, so it is 465. Now here 8 is there. Again you think that 5 9 ja 45, so it can divide it 9 times. 9 0 0, 9 1 ja 9, then 9 5 ja 45. So you can write here like this, and here 8 is there, then 15 minus 9, then here 6 is there, and here nothing is there. So 6 8 is there. Now 1 0 you can put, but before that you have to take a point. Then you have taken the point, then you can put a 0 here. So you can divide it one time, then the remaining part I am writing over here. Here 510 is there. So now I am subtracting and writing the remaining parts here only. So 0 will be there, then 8 minus 1, 7 will be there, and here 7 minus 6 minus 5, 1 should be there. Point is already there, you can take here 0. So now how many times it can divide? 1700 it is. So 5 3s are 15, so 3 times it can divide. 5 3s are 3 0 0, and 3 1s are 3, then 3 5s are 15, 5 carry 1, here 0, and 10 minus 3, that is 7, and here 6 minus 1 1. So it is 1 7, then again 0 is coming. 170 again it is coming, so it is coming 0. So the number is repeated here. 1700 again it is coming, so I can divide it again by 3 times itself. So here you have seen that you cannot divide this number. 333 we will be getting, because 1530 again I will be writing. So the exact answer is not coming here. Again you can write 170. So if that type of case is appearing to you, you can write your answer approximately. So speed will be 69.13 meter. Okay, the speed is given 10.2 minutes, meter per minute. It is minutes, you write clearly that the speed of Swarna is how much? That is 69.13 meter, that is equal to. So here I am writing this side. So the speed, so the speed of Swarna will be it is 69.13 meter per minute. Like that you have to write, and here you have to write appx, approximately this speed should be there, because the division cannot stop, it is just going and going. So that I have taken this question and I have shown you, if such cases are arising to you, then this question can be done in that way itself. So here I have shown you question number 3D, but such type of questions are very less in your standard. You will be studying about such questions in your higher classes. Now let me discuss another question, that is I am going right now in exercise 3C. In exercise 3C, what you can see? Now go in exercise 3C, and in 3C you can see fill in the blanks, and here the blanks, there are some relations. The relation you have to write. Some relation is there. One relation is there, that 10 millimeter equal to 1 centimeter and 10 centimeter equal to 1 meter. 10 mm equal to 1 cm, and 10 cm means 1 decimeter. DCM means decimeter, and milli, centi, decimeter, then it is meter. Milli, centi, decimeter, then it is deca, then hecto, then kilometer. It is kilometer. So what I can write? 10 decimeter equal to 1 meter, then 10 meter equal to 1 decameter, and 10 decameter equal to 1 hectometer, and 10 hectometer equal to 1 kilometer. This is the prominent relation of length. So what is this relation? This will be helping you in doing a lot of questions. 10 millimeter means 1 centimeter, 10 centimeter means 1 decimeter, 10 decimeter means 1 meter, 10 meter means 1 decameter, 10 decameter means 1 hectometer, and 10 hectometer means 1 kilometer. By taking this relation, you can establish some more relation. How? Suppose if I am asking you 1 meter equal to how much centimeter, you can write here 1 meter means you know that it is 100 centimeter, but how it is coming? 1 meter. So I will be coming at meter, then I am going to centimeter, and here you are going 210 up. If you are going 210 upwards in this relation, if you are going 210 upward direction, that means 1 upon 00 will be there. Suppose I am asking you 1 kilometer means how many meter? 1 kilometer means how many meter? So you will be coming to kilometer and just going to meter. So you can see that 3 tenths you are going upside, that means 1 kilometer means 1000 meter. So how this will be helpful in finding the relation between the length of unit of length. So this is the relation of measuring units. These are the measuring units and their relation. This is known as measuring units. Measuring units and their relation, This is very important for you. By that you can change any of the measuring unit into any other units. So it is very important for you all, and you just do this question, write down this one, and by using this we will be doing a lot of question here. And what is important there, that when you are going to write any relation, if you are moving from bottom to top, then you are writing 1 upon zeros. But if you are coming downward direction, suppose I will be asking that suppose 1 centimeter means how many meter? What you will be doing? You will be writing 1 by 10 meter. that can be written as 0.1 meter. So look at here, this relation, that means if you are changing centimeter, into meter, then what you are doing, you are dividing by 1 centimeter equal to 1 upon 100 meter, sorry. So the answer will be 0.01 meter. Why it is like this? Because when I will see the centimeter is there and meter is where? This is meter. So centimeter to meter, when I will come, then 2 digit down I have to move from here, then here, 2 digit down, so that it is 1 upon 00 will be there, 1 upon 00 will be there, and the answer will be 0.01 meter. So let us see the next question. In this question, what is there? Exercise 3C, and in 3C these relations will be used. So 1A number, it is 10 mm, 10 millimeter equal to how many centimeter you have seen? 1 centimeter. If it is B number, 10 gram means how many? How much kilogram? 10 gram means how much kilogram? So it is 10 divided by 1000 kilogram, then ultimately your answer will be 0.010 kg, and you will be writing 0.01 kg. So here, as you know that 1 kg means 1000 grams. So if you want to change gram into kilogram, you need to divide it by 1000, and then your answer will be coming 0.01 kg. So here a few working steps also I have shown you. You can also write the working steps, no problem, but if you want to write exact answer, then this is and this is there. Then number C, 10 centimeter equal to how many meter? You know that 1 meter means 100 centimeter. So 10 centimeter, if you want to change in meter, 10 upon 100 you are doing, then your answer 0 gone. So answer is coming 0.1 meter. So 10 centimeter means how much meter? It is 0.1 meter. You can write it like that, 0.1 meter. Then D number, question number, this is the rough part. Then number D, you are having 10 ml. This is 10 ml equal to how much liter? Suppose you want to write at 10 ml means how much liter? So when you know 1 liter means 1000 milliliter. 1 liter means 1000 milliliter. So you are dividing 10 upon 1000. 0 gone, it is 1 upon 100 means 0.01. So you can write 0.01 liter. So this is the working step for that. If you want to write a smaller unit into the bigger unit, in this case you have to divide, and if you want to write the bigger unit into a smaller unit, you need to multiply. It is very simple logic over there. Once again I am repeating it. If you want to change a smaller unit to bigger unit, you need to divide, and if you want to change any bigger unit to a smaller unit, you need to multiply it. So this is the fact about these relations. Just you copy down these questions, then D is over. Now one more question is there, E number. In E number you can see that it is written 10 meter equal to how much kilometer? So meter you want to change into kilometer. What you will be doing? You know that 1 kilometer means 1000 meter. So 10 divided by 1000. Then the answer will be coming 0.01. So that you will be writing it is 0.01 kilometer. So 10 meter means 0.01 meter, and the working I have shown you at the down. So you are dividing meter by 1000 if you want to change into kilometer. So these are the relations of units which you can use over there. Now few more questions here, let us discuss today. Question number this is question number 2. In 2 number question, convert the following units of length as directed. Here you see a number, it is 2 millimeter into centimeter. Into centimeter means millimeter to centimeter you are going. You know that 10 millimeter equal to 1 centimeter. 10 millimeter equal to 1 centimeter. So 2 millimeter, if you want to divide into centimeter, it should be divided by 2. So 2 millimeter, if you want to change into centimeter, it will be divided by 10. The answer will be 0.2 centimeter. So like that you can convert the units. This is the all about unit conversion. Then suppose number B is there, 57 centimeter into meter. What you will be doing? You know that 51 meter equal to 100 centimeter, so it will be divided by 100. You will be writing the statement 57 centimeter equal to this 57 upon 100 meter, and the answer will be 0.57 meter. So this is the answer. Like that you can divide the numbers, but here if you want to write, you can write 1 centimeter equal to 10 millimeter. This is the relation used there. Here you can write the relation which you have used. You have used relation 1 kilometer equal to 1000 meter. Like that you can write the relation beside the steps where you are using it. In this way you can change the units as well. So this was question number 2 that I have shown you. In the same way I am going to show you question number 3 also. So let us see question number 3. In exercise 3C, question number 3, convert the following unit of mass as directed. Here how you can convert? 3A, it is 4 milligram and into gram. 4 milligram into gram you want to change. So first of all you have to think that in 1 gram how many milligrams are there. Okay, so in 1 gram there are how many milligram? Milli, centi, decigram. Relation is like that. Milli, that is milli, then it is centi. Milligram, then centigram. Milli, centi, then decigram, then deca. Deci, then it is gram, then decagram, then hecto. Deca, then it is hectogram, then it is kilogram. So you have to learn the relation, how I am framing the relation, you just take care. 10 milligram equal to 1 centigram. 10 centigram equal to 1 decigram, and 10 decigram equal to 1 gram, and 10 gram equal to 1 decagram, and 10 decagram equal to 1 hectogram, and 10 hectogram equal to 1 kilogram. This is the relation of the masses, as I have shown you the relation of milli, centi, decigram, deca, hecto, kilogram. It's all are similar. When I am going to measure length, milli, centi, deci, meter, deca, hecto, kilometer. When you are going to measure the volume, milli, centi, deci, liter, deca, hecto, kiloliter. This is the way by that we are learning the relation among the units of length, then weight and volume. So here in gram, 10 milligram equal to 1 centigram, 10 centigram equal to 1 decigram, 10 decigram means 1 gram, 10 gram means 1 decagram, 10 decagram means 1 hectogram, and 10 hectogram means 1 kilogram. So here 4 milligram into gram. So milligram, as you can see, gram to milligram, if I am moving in 1 gram, there are 1000 milligram. So what we will be doing, 4 mg, if I will be changing into gram, I will be dividing it by 1000, then it will be gram. So the answer will be 0.0004 gram. Why it is like that? Because you will be writing 1 gram equal to 1000 milligram. 1 gram equal to 1000 milligram, which I have decided by this table, because I have to go gram to milligram. Here gram is there and I am going upward. That means I have to take 1/30, and by that I need to divide. Suppose I don't know the relation, at that case how I am finding the answer, you can see from this working. Now this was 3a, then 3b, 800 milligram. It is 800 milligram. You want to change this, equal into how much kg? You want to change into kilogram. Now I am searching. Milligram is where? Milligram is there. And how much kilogram? So milligram to kilogram. Here it is kilogram, and kilogram to milligram, if I will go, then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This will be 1/60. It will be 1/60, because kilogram to milligram, if you will go, 1, here is kilogram, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I can write here 800 milligram will be equal to 800 by 1 it is a kilogram. 0 gone, 0 gone. So here it is 8/1000 kg. Then further it can be written as 0.008 kg. Why it is like that? Because 1 kg means 1/6 milligram. 1/6 milligram. So this is very important, which I have discussed today, the relation, and this relation is very important, and this is playing very vital role in doing such questions. So you note down this relation of units. This is the relation of units of mass. This is units of mass. You can write here. These are units of mass, and by this you can do these questions. So I hope that you will be learning it and you will be doing the remaining questions of this exercise. This time I will be trying to give you the questions till exercise 3C in your class test. So when your class test will be there, till question exercise 3C I will be giving you question. That means question will be based upon whatever I have taught till today's class. So revise your work very sincerely and very carefully. Once again I am reminding you all that you do all the example sums from your book. You need to do all the example sums from your book. Thank you for today.